Hey guys, Mr. Powers here. So I just got back from a run with the family. We're back. We're getting ready for supper tonight. So I pulled out one of my books I like, a recipe book. It's Top Secret Restaurant Recipes. The recipe that we're going to go through tonight is going to be from the Red Robin restaurant. And the first one's going to be called No Fire Peppers. I love jalapeno peppers. So they're going to be basically stuffed jalapeno peppers there. Here's the ingredients up close, if you can see that. So we're going to do that recipe, I think, to go along with it. I also want to do, let's see, where was that? We're going to do that as a side. And then I also want to do the Red Robin barbecue chicken salad. My wife loves salad, so we'll do that for her. Not really a good picture of it, but it kind of shows what all's going on there. And then here's the recipe for it. So we're gonna try those two entrees out. I think along with that, I also want to try the Red Robin Mountain High Mud Pie. Here's kind of a sketch of it. They don't have real colorful pictures. Might be able to find some later, but this is the Red Robin Mountain High Mud Pie ingredients. So we'll have that for dessert. So we're gonna try those three options. It calls for like 1 serving or 2 servings is what this recipe is. So we're gonna have to make it bigger for our family. I think my parents are gonna come over and eat tonight too. So we wanna make sure we have plenty of food. So I'll have the problem uploaded on the Google form, and then I'll have some questions for you guys to answer. Thanks, I miss you guys. Keep up the good work. You guys have been doing amazing. Really, 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 really amazing. And I do miss you. See ya, bye.